SaneBox is a tool that makes you feel more organized. It can help you to zero your inbox without deleting any email. And it works in the background. Like I can train it the way how I organize my emails. If you want to learn more about what is SaneBox, I have another video about it and I will leave the link in the description. So let's jump into today's step-by-step tutorial. So after you click the link, you come to this page. Just go ahead to try it now for free and enter the email address that you wanted to implement SaneBox in. Okay, so I'm going to type my email address, create account. And then here we're just saying choose an account, and I just gonna click on the email address I just put into. By continuing, Google share your name, email address to SaneBox. So I will need to give the permission. So I click on continue. So this is to give SaneBox permission to work in the Gmail background without giving out our passwords. Okay, so if you allow SaneBox, it will ask you review every 6 months. So this is a good practice. I'm going to leave it like that. So I'm going to review again after 6 months. I think this is a good practice. I will select all to let SaneBox to my inbox. So I'm going to click continue. Congratulations.
Welcome to SaneBox.
There you are.
It's not already. Your inbox is about to be a whole lot cleaner.
So this is welcome intro, and I will suggest you to watch it. And after you watch it, you will have a better idea about what's going on with this amazing app. So this is the email I have. You can see it's very cluttered. It's a mess, to be honest, because I subscribe to many people. I like to receive marketing email because I'm learning about what other people are doing about email marketing. And for other reasons as well, get discounts, get offers, and latest news. I want to keep myself up to date. So look at this, my labels. I have created labels here. You can see there are tons of them. I used to just use a filter. I just click here, and then I will search, for example, is from, let's say from Adam. Okay, and then create filter. I used to do this to create a filter to filter all the email into labels, but they are still coming to my inbox because I chose to have them in the inbox. You can also choose to skip the inbox and archive it. It will always go to the labels here. But once it goes to the label, I don't see them anymore because I don't go to the label to check the emails. I only go to the inbox. And in this sense, everything going to the labels. If I don't have them in the inbox, if I skip the inbox, I won't see them. So for this reason, I always have them in the inbox as well, and also have them archived. And I can always, after I read it, I can always just push the archive button. This is already, with Atoms, it's all archived and it's skipped the inbox. And so you can see there are so many emails here. I just added SaneBox. So let's have a look the transformation. I'm looking forward to see how SaneBox can help me. So I'm going to click this button just to continue. So here is the setup. Choose my folders. Okay, your inbox should only be for email that needs attention today. Okay, that's the definition of SaneBox, trying to organize my emails for me. Yes, I will have that. And same black hole, trained by moving annoying emails from real people or companies. I'm a photographer, so I get retoucher email very often, or makeup artists, or people want to sell me products. These ones, I would definitely train them to be in the black hole. Black hole is just disappear. You will never see them again, which is great. So I'm going to turn this on. So better explanation about how to use the same black hole and send news, etc. in another video, and I will leave the link in the description. This is to sell receipts. Receipts are important to keep in. For me in the business, it's very important to keep it in one place so I can refer to whenever I needed to know how much I pay for, or my accounting, or when I doing my yearly tax, or also if the bills I paid or not. So this is a place I can find, and I will appreciate all the receipts go into here. It will detect if it's this a sales receipt or not. And I can train SaneBox to do it as well. So I'm going to send news. So this is I get a lot, and send news is anything regarding news, and I will definitely keep this because I want to catch up with news, but too much is too much. I can't read them all, so it's better to have a place to go. So I will keep and send later. This is something a little bit unimportant, and when I have some time I can just check them, so I will turn it on as well. So this is all set up now, and I'm going next. So these are the instructions about how does the black hole work. It's not for spam. It only works annoying email for real people or service. Do not move the email from your spam folder onto it. So it all looks good. I'm going to click here. So you can read this. You can train this AI to do works for you, which is great. Okay, next. So from when you haven't heard back yet, for example, I send my client an invoice and I haven't heard from it yet, and I definitely want to track what's going on, right? I want to know if there is a follow-up or not. I definitely want to enable this folder. It shows email no replies immediately. This is my first time set it, so I'm going to leave it as it is and enable it. So there are some emails I don't have to reply immediately. I will snooze it, and 3 folders: next day, week, or month. These are great because some people request collaboration and I need time to think about it. So I will need a snooze and also a reminder, and this is just perfect for that. Like, I want to reply this request or this collaboration maybe a week later, not this week. Next week, during the week I think of it, and next week I will have an answer. This is just perfect. SaneBox reminders. If you liked reminders, you can turn this on. But I don't need reminders, so I will not use this. But it's up to you. If you like to be reminded of something, you can just send this email address and there will be a reminder going to your inbox. You can also book a session with SaneBox. They will guide you through all this process and tell you what you should set up, and everything will guide you through whole the process. And this is really fantastic for people who are not techy. You don't want to mess up with things, so you don't want to set this up. You can definitely book a session with them, and this is such a great service. I will highly recommend. If you're not sure, go ahead to book a session with them. So this is done. This is my dashboard. Digest, do not disturb. So I have all this. This is now is filtering right now. So this is my dashboard. You can see my trial ends 14 days. I have 14-day trial. And also after that, you will have $15 off to sign up. Just try even longer period of time. See if you really like it. So there's a tool. There's also an Inbox Zero Academy, slide introduction, and support center. Fantastic. Let me see. This is a dashboard, free for 2 weeks, and you can check out the pricing and get rewards and tools if you want to use. These are the tools. Okay. So I start to get emails from SaneBox, and this is SaneBox Digest, and this is a SaneBox important directions for using SaneBox. So these are the instructions. I will read them and see what's going on. I let SaneBox run for a while to clean all my thousands of emails, and this is the end result. I went to have a tea and doing some other jobs, and when I came back, this is how it looks like. I only left 3 emails in my primary inbox. I have a lot going through promotions, social not so much, but updates I get a lot. I think majority of emails here are news or updates. So this just magically changed my inbox, and I can just have a look. Oh, okay. Yeah, these are the ones I sent to black hole. Like I just drag one of the email from my inbox and go to black hole. Like I just drag and drop. I just do literally like this. Okay, and it trained AI to do it. Immediately, I drag one of this email shown, and then the other 2 just went there, just like that. And it's just super convenient. Before I have to use filter. Now I just use SaneBox. I just have to drag it once and then AI will do the rest for me. And this is just fantastic. Okay, so this is not so important and I can always come back to it to find emails I need. For example, these are the recent transactions, the books I bought. And let's have a look news. Okay, most of these are news. These are the marketing news, what they have offer right now, what's the events they're running, activities. It's all coming to Sane News now. So if I fancy checking any live event, for example, here's a live event and selling online, anything, I just come here. Like this is countdown for this essential kit from On One. And let's say next month, there's nothing yet. Next week, nothing yet. No reply. Okay, just I sent it. I haven't got reply yet. This is the first email of this label is always about how to, okay, from SaneBox. And this receipt also, this is instruction. Wow, my inbox just being cleaned. So this is just fantastic. I love it. I will keep using it and I will update you about my thoughts about SaneBox. If you would like to try, I have a special link with $15 of coupon code you can use. The link also in the description. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. This would really help me to grow my channel and sharing more tips and tricks about tech tools. And these tools will help you to grow as a content creator. It's Lily Amanda. I will talk to you in the next video.